What's up geeks and welcome back to iGeeksblog, and in today's video let's check out Apple's new Final Cut camera app for iPhone and iPads. I know the default camera app is just good enough for most of us, but Apple has designed this app keeping professional videographers in mind, who requires manual control. And not only that, professional can also view multi-camera angle footages on iPad within one app on the go. So let's find out if Final Cut camera app is worth it or not. iPhone already shoot amazing videos, but Apple just level up their game with this free app. It gives you more control than the built-in camera app like on third-party apps like Blackmagic Camera. The Final Cut camera app will help you to shoot like a pro with their manual controls. You can adjust exposure, ISO, shutter speed, and white balance, perfect for capturing that specific look you want. And you can also lock the orientation for undisrupted footage. Plus, iPhone 15 Pro users can shoot in ProRes format for the maximum quality. You can change the lenses directly from the viewfinder. And not only that, you can also see how long footage can be shot on your iPhone before you run out of space. And you can also monitor live audio levels directly from the viewfinder. And now let's talk about my favorite feature of this app, focus pull and smooth zooming. This app lets you do focus pull, where you slowly change focus for a dramatic effect. It also has a way smoother zooming than the stock camera app. All these enhanced functions will ensure that the footage comes out as you planned. Well, the Final Cut camera app is just more than fancy control, as this is very powerful for pro shooters. It has a live multicam feature that lets you connect multiple iPhones or iPads to shoot a scene from 4 angles at once. This is perfect for YouTubers or anyone who want professional looking multi-camera setups. And now if we go into the settings within the app, well, you can change the preferences like codec, format, color and dynamic range. You can also turn the stabilization on and can mirror front camera as well. Well, some of these features can also be changed directly from the viewfinder itself. In Tools section, you can turn on grid overlay for better composition of frame. And now let's talk about these two fantastic features, overexposure indicator and focus peaking. Overexposure indicator will tell you all the overexposed area in your frame. Similarly, focus peaking will let you know which object is in the focus. And for the last tab, it is of audio. Over here, you can select input source of the audio. So if you use an external mic, you can easily change the source from this section. Even if you're not a pro, well, the Final Cut camera app is a great way to take your iPhone videography to the next level. The manual control and focus pulling are awesome features, and the multicam is a game changer for those who want to shoot more complex videos. If you have iPhone 15 Pro, you can directly record footages on the external drive in ProRes, saving some storage on your iPhone. Of course, some of the advanced features pushes you towards the Final Cut Pro editing app, but even though you can benefit a lot from the Final Cut camera app for free. So what do you think, guys? Are you going to try out this app? Do let me know in the comments section. And of course, if you like this content, then make sure to press the like button and let YouTube know we are doing some good work. And while you're down there, make sure to press the subscribe button and of course the bell icon as well, so that you get notified on each and every video we post. And meanwhile, you can also go to the App Store, download iGeeksblog app and enjoy everything Apple content and amazing wallpapers I can vouch for. On this note, this is me Samir signing off, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, tada, see ya, bye bye.